Now, a community green energy scheme in Ruswarp in North Yorkshire is proving that small-scale projects can make a big difference. The village's micro turbine sits on the River Esk and harnesses the water's power to generate electricity and reduce carbon emissions. It's now clocked up a huge 1 billion watt-hours of energy since it all started. Carla Fowler reports.
You wouldn't even know it was there, but beneath these covers is the Esk Valley's answer to the Clean Energy Challenge. A 12-tonne Archimedes screw, which takes water from the higher level of the River Esk, extracts its energy and turns it into electricity. It's already paid back all the carbon used in building it and has just passed a significant milestone.
We've reached what we electrical engineers called 1 gigawatt hour, which is 1 million units of electricity. It was a challenge, that's how it started. We wanted to reduce the carbon footprint of the Esk Valley.
Community group Whitby Esk Energy had a 6-year battle to build their micro hydro turbine here in the village of Ruswarp. They raised £470,000, including a county council grant and a loan from the North York Moors National Park. But it was issuing shares to the local community that raised the remaining vital funds. Every day, volunteers maintain and monitor the turbine.
So I can see through the webcams what's going on. If we've got debris on the screen, I can stop the turbine from home. It's also good to be working with others on such a beautiful site, as well as helping doing our bit to reduce carbon emissions.
Community-led and community-owned, this scheme is now leading the way in green research and education. The group mentors other communities wanting to reduce their carbon emissions. It's clean, simple and 100% renewable. The turbine keeps around 60 homes a year running, and as long as the River Esk keeps flowing, it will keep turning. Carla Fowler, BBC Look North, Ruswarp.
Amazing stuff.